Go get your hat, Peanut.
Why?
Because it fell off.
Oh, I was doing the eye kissing.
Oh. Well, go get it. Put it back on now that you're not out chewing.
No, I don't want it on.
You want me to put it on for you?
No, you put it on you.
Me?
Oh, we're gonna fit
I don't think
him.
it fits.
Here. Now, wait till you want it, Mommy. Mommy, you see? No. Uncle Mike, stand up and Mommy does it down and sing. Mama, sit down and
You want Mama to sing? Oh. All right, which song, baby?
when Mommy like this.
All right. 7 a.m. the usual morning line-up. Start on chores and sweep till the floor's all clean.
Stand up, Uncle Mike.
Polish and do laundry and mop and
Let's
shine
play the
up.
piano, Mommy.
How am I going to play the piano and sing and hold Julia? I don't have enough hands.
Well, me and
Again and by then, it's
I
like,
have enough hands.
well, you're special then.
I have one more.
What are you going to do with that one more hand?
I'm going to prick it on here.
You're going to put it on there.
It's called a Noah.
Sweep again and by then, it's like 7:15 and so I'll
Read the book. Or maybe 2. Oh, let's read. Whoa. Hold on, Uncle Mike. It just got all around me. It got on
Are
me.
you all tangled up?
I just take it up in my ribbon. And Uncle Mike, when we were at church and I was at big church, here, Uncle Mike, I've got a question. When I was at big church with Mommy and Daddy, the kids, some kids had the same ones that I had. Because I saw a little girl that had this one. Okay, sing again, Mom. Sit down and sing.
I'll explain that one to you later. It did actually make sense.
And we're ready to sing, Mommy.
And so I'll read a
Oh,
book
sit down
and
and sing, Mom.
or 3. I'll add a few real paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and read, and basically just wonder when will my life begin.
Do it with me, Uncle Mike. Well, stand up and do the same thing that I'm doing. Around here.
Then after lunch it's puzzles and cards and baking. Paper mache, a bit of ballet and chat. Pottery and ventriloquy candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a dress. I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more. I'm sure there's room somewhere.
Hold on. Mommy and Uncle Mike, I just cut.
And then
Uh-oh.
it's okay, the knots are fine, sweetie.
Fine.
I'll undo them later.
What's the knot for?
Sometimes it just happens when you spin it real fast.
Mommy sing. Uncle Mike. And Mommy sing. And so Uncle Mike, Mommy sing. Mommy sing.
Basically, just wonder when will my life begin. Tomorrow
No, you forgot brush and brush my hair.
I got confused and forgot where I was in this song. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and
Hold on,
wondering.
Mommy. Go.
And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering, wondering, when will my life begin? Tomorrow night, the light will appear.